I'm still working on my gyro. It's not idling right, so I want to show you what I think it might be and what just came in. I noticed that this plug right here, it wasn't screwed on all the way to the end of the wiring for the spark plug. So I'm going to cut this back a little bit and make sure it's screwed on all the way. Here is the 33-year-old coil. It's working fine. This is a brand new bi-starter, and I noticed the other bi-starter, the O-ring had been ridden up on it, and that may have caused a vacuum leak. And then this is what just came in. This is a genuine replacement 14mm gyro carburetor. And I'll tell you what, you can't beat the price for $20.50. And I can see that the fit and finish, if I don't know if you can look in here and see this, but the fit and finish isn't perfect. But if these parts work on the other carburetor, I mean, it's worth it. These two little screws are custom made for the gyro. This one guy on the internet, he wants $10 for one of these. I said, $10? I got $10 fucking right here hanging, bitch. I just can't believe some of these people. Now, the original carburetor is CAN. The original oil pump is CAN. I mean, they didn't screw around when they built this little thing. So I'm kind of playing around with my little gyro, and I'm kind of getting ready to go full tilt on the big Dio right here. So don't worry, this is coming. All the parts are in, all the new wheels are in, all the big 33 Sudco carburetors are in, the fittings are in, everything is in. The wheels are in, the tires are in, everything. So, and it's starting to warm up here. And spring is starting to spring in Washington State. I've got a really nice little backyard. Nobody's staring in at me, spying on me, which is nice. A lot of times you get a nice backyard, some asshole will put a two-story house up right next to the back fence, and they can stare in at you. And they do it all the time because there's usually some nosy neighbor, some spinster old lady that has got nothing better to do but mind your business instead of hers. All right. And we continue on Operation Gyro. And then we're going to go to Operation Full-Blown Deal. Rock on, DIOSpeedDEMON.